Hey, let me show you how you can insert SIM card into your Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. So first of all, you have to prepare the SIM tool. You can actually find it in the box of your phone. And to open this slot, you have to input this SIM tool right here. Now press on it gently, then remove the SIM tool. Grab your, for example, with your fingernails, and now, as you can see, we can input two SIM cards, first and the second one. So I can actually recommend you to input it just right here, like in this position. Now press on it, and when you correctly input this SIM, inside it will be completely flat. It will don't go above this surface. So we can put it back like this. Take a look. And gently press on it. And now we can click OK, and as you can see, we successfully input the SIM card because we can input SIM pin code. And as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.